All right, I'm in the Wichita Mountain Wildlife Refuge. I'm on the east side. That's Mount Scott. That half of it is shrouded in clouds. Mount Scott's Boy. I'm out here just checking out some of the water features. I'm going to follow a couple of these streams back. I know there's a couple of decent waterfalls back here. So it's rained quite a bit, 4 or 5 inches, I'd say, in the past couple of days. So there should be some good flow. We'll walk back here and see what we can find. All right, stumbled upon a nice big snapping turtle out here right on the road. I guess all this heavy rain has brought the turtles out. Probably the snakes too. He's a big boy. Beautiful. I'll help him across the road when I want anybody to hit him. Oh, that's awesome. Alright, well, I don't want to harass him, so I will help him across the road and let him be. That's a good sign. And some little features here coming alive. And this little falls is completely shrouded by the tree. It's pretty neat. Completely hidden. This is pretty. It's pretty cool. Now I'm heading west towards Ketone Point. There's Ketone, and then the false summit of Hunting Horse Hill is right there, and here's Mount Scott's Boy, Mount Scott. That's an unnamed 2,000 footer over there, and you can see Mount Roosevelt peeking out over there. This is the area that I wanted to get to, and it's flowing really nice. Finally. First waterfalls I've seen since Michigan. A little bit of a drop off over there. Might be something a little bit more impressive down there. Oh, this is pretty cool. Got some rapids going here. Almost a slot canyon. This is cool. That is really pretty. It's a good sized waterfall. I can't believe I've never come and looked at this before. Out here and getting a nice view. I just came around. I climbed up over there, came back to here, get a better view of it. Beautiful. That is awesome, man. All right, I'm in the next tributary down. I saw a pretty big rock formation north of here, so I'm gonna go check that out, and then I'm gonna head over to the canyon walk area. But starting to see a few more little falls here. I would not hike back here when it's hot and dry, I can tell you that. All kinds of crazy critters hanging out here probably. So there's the highway right there. This thing's right off the road. It's not easy to get to. If you come straight on, it's not. If you come around, it's not bad to get to, but it's pretty neat. It sounds like there's more further up, so I'm gonna go just a little bit further up and then I'm gonna turn around, because on Google Earth, it didn't look like there was much more in the way of rocks than make waterfalls or anything further up. It was right over there a little bit ago. Alright, I'm going to walk back over to the picnic area at Mount Scott where I parked at, and then head over to Ketone Point parking lot, which is just right back there, but I can get out of here a lot faster if I walk back to my truck. So I'll park there and go check out the stream and tributaries at the canyon floor walk, and then that'll be about it. I'll be out of time. It's going to be pretty close to dark then, so seen some pretty neat stuff so far though. Alright, I'm at the canyon floor walk. I brought the boys here when it was bone dry one time. They played around that little cave right there. This is right off the road as well. You can probably see my truck parked up there on the Ketone parking lot, and that's Ketone Point up there, and then Hunting Horse Hill, and of course Mount Scott still covered. But I'm gonna head on down there to that little cave and check it out, see if it looks any different with some water going through. Yeah, it's a neat little area. I mean, it's not a really big cave. It's real tiny, but it's cool enough for kids to enjoy it. And you can see it's, when you park up there at the Ketone Point parking lot, my truck is right there. You can see it. You can look straight down here. And there's a little waterfall right here. Pretty neat. All right, well, I've been out here for a few hours. The little tributaries and streams are really starting to recede. That's the thing about out here. There's only a couple of waterfalls that really go, if you want to say year-round. Post Oak Falls, the upper and the lower, usually at least trickling. It's probably going really strong today. I've been out there so many times. It's not the top of the list anymore, but if you haven't seen it before, it's really cool. I've got a couple of videos where it's in there. But I checked out some of the waterfalls here on the east side, and then next time we get a big rain, I'll hit the central, and then I got another waterfall that's kind of hidden in Sharon's garden that I haven't seen yet. So anyway, another great day in the Wichita's.